Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install WordPress. First, open your browser and go to your hosting account's dashboard. After you log in, look for the button or link that takes you to your cPanel. This might be called Go to cPanel or just cPanel. Once you're inside the cPanel, scroll down slowly until you find a section called Softaculous Apps Installer. It's usually in the Software section. Inside, you'll see many options. Click on the one that says WordPress. It will take you to the WordPress installation page. On this page, click on the button that says Install Now. It will now ask you to choose the version you want to install. You can leave it on the default version unless you have a reason to choose another one. Next, you'll choose the domain where you want to install WordPress. If your hosting account has only one domain, it should already be selected. If you have more than one domain, use the drop-down to pick the one you want. Now, look at the field that says Directory. If you want WordPress installed on your main domain, like example.com, leave this field empty. If you want it installed in a folder, like example.com/blog, then type blog in this field. Scroll down to the Site Settings section. You can give your site a name, like My Website, and a short description. Don't worry, you can change these later from the WordPress dashboard. Then, go to the Admin Account section. This is where you choose your username, password, and email. For the username, don't use admin because it's easy to guess. Use something unique, then create a strong password. Type your email address so you can recover the account if needed. You can leave the rest of the options as they are. Scroll to the bottom and click the Install button. The installation will begin. It usually takes less than a minute. That's it. Thanks for watching.